Did you know Persian cats are basically professional nappers? These fluffy clouds can sleep up to 16 hours a day. They're one of the calmest cat breeds out there, which makes them perfect for quiet homes. And talk about a royal history. Persians are an ancient breed once adored by royalty and nobles. No wonder they have such a regal vibe. But owning one isn't just cuddles and naps. Their luxurious fur needs daily grooming to prevent tangles, and those big round eyes that give them a forever kitten look need regular cleaning because of their flat faces. Interestingly, they're not big on jumping. They'd much rather lounge on the floor than scale your bookshelves. They're super loyal and love being near you, but they're not overly clingy. And here's a fun fact: they rarely meow loudly. They prefer routine and can overheat easily, despite their cozy fur. So, what do you love most about Persian cats? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.